In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online to find the official Etsy integration and start the connection with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct QuickBooks company and that you have admin access, since installing integrations usually requires it. Start in QuickBooks Online and look for the global search bar at the top. In that search field, type the word app. This is a quick way to surface options related to the app marketplace without digging through menus. After you type app, you should see a shortcut labeled Find Integrations. This link takes you straight to the place where QuickBooks curates approved apps and connectors that work with your account. Click Find Integrations. You'll land on the QuickBooks app marketplace. If the page looks a bit different than what you expect, don't worry. Layouts can vary by region or account type. What matters is that you're on the official marketplace where you can browse and install apps that sync with QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the marketplace page, locate the search box and type Etsy, then press enter. This filters the results to tools designed to connect Etsy with your books. You may see several options, but you're looking for the listing called Etsy Connector by QuickBooks. This is the official connector, built to work smoothly with QuickBooks Online and maintained alongside QuickBooks updates. Click Etsy Connector by QuickBooks to open its details page. Here, take a moment to review the overview, features, and any pricing notes. You'll typically see what data the connector syncs, such as orders, fees, and payouts, along with a summary of permissions it needs to do its job. It's a good place to confirm it fits your workflow and to read any notes about supported regions or editions of QuickBooks. When you're ready, click Get Integration Now. This button begins the installation and authorization process. You may be asked to confirm which QuickBooks company you're connecting, and then you'll be guided to grant the necessary permissions. Have your Etsy shop login handy and make sure pop-up blockers are off so the authorization windows can open. If a new tab appears, keep both tabs open until the prompts are complete. That's it. To recap, you typed app in the QuickBooks search bar, selected Find Integrations, searched for Etsy, chose Etsy Connector by QuickBooks, and clicked Get Integration Now. Follow the on-screen instructions from there, and your Etsy data will be on its way to syncing into QuickBooks Online.